Hi, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing an automation from Intercom to Bling, where if a new user is created in Intercom, it automatically creates a CRM in Bling. So what you want to do is go to Zapier and click Create New Zap. And since you want your trigger to be a new user in Intercom, you click Intercom. And the event you want is New User. And it will give you an option to connect your Intercom account, so if you have it, you can do so. And we're going to be live testing this, so just hold on. And you want your action to be a new CRM in Bling, so you click Add New Customer Contact. And it will give you an option to connect your Bling account, so if you have it already, you can go ahead and do so. And now you want to enter in your client's details. Now, once you've entered in all of your client's details, what you want to do is go ahead and go over to Intercom and click New User. And you want to type the name of your client. And once you've created that new user, you can go ahead and test the trigger on Zapier. And it will say we found a user. And you want to test the action on Bling. And if it went successful, it will say a CRM was sent to Bling Cloud about a second ago. And if you go ahead to your customer section on your Bling website, you can go ahead and see the Dan Tolliver CRM that was created. And this is all of the client's details. And if you have any other questions, please reach out.